Hey guys, what is going on? It is RC Knockout and I am back with another video. Now if you are new to my channel, my name is Nolan, and in today's video I have got the cheapest Traxxas Slash project out with me, my Traxxas Slash two-wheel drive. Now I'm taking cover because it is pretty breezy. I actually just put a new system in this in the last video. If you missed out on that video, I'll leave a card in the corner. I actually took the system out of my Traxxas Slash 4x4 Ultimate Basher build and I put it in this. So we installed a Castle Copperhead 10 ESC. That's a 4S capable ESC. And then we threw in a Castle 1412 3200 kV motor, which is also a centered motor, as you can tell from the centered cable. I actually took this system out of the Ultimate Basher build and I put a 6S system in that machine. And the whole reason I took it out is because I broke the motor shaft, because I was running the smaller 3.175 motor shaft, but I had to get a new motor. So that's the ESC out of the Ultimate Basher build, but that is a brand new motor right there. It's a new motor with a 5mm shaft. And I believe the gearing on this is a 13-tooth pinion and a 58-tooth spur gear, and this is running the 32-pitch gears. Currently running the Proline Block A tires. Need to get some good Basher tires on this. But we're going to throw a GPS on and see what we can get for a top speed with that gearing. First, we're going to start off with this 8,000 milliamp, 120C discharge rate CNHL pack. And then after that, we're going to throw a 4-cell in, because like I said, this is a 4S capable system. We're going to throw in this Ovonic 6,500 milliamp, 80C discharge rate 4-cell. And see what we can get for a top speed. I'm excited. I'm going to be running the Summit Link body. This is my Baja bug body. By the way, I'll leave this link down below. It only comes in at 30 bucks. I got it on Amazon. For speed runs, I like to run the Baja bug body because it doesn't catch the air the same way as the stock Traxxas Slash body. So let me get that hooked up, find some place to hook up the GPS, and we'll go out and make some passes. All right, guys, I got that 8,000 milliamp CNHL pack hooked up. I got the GPS taped up right here. Hopefully it stays in place. Let me throw the body on. Go ahead and put your guesses down below. What do you think it's gonna get? All right, guys, here we go for the first pass. Make sure it's clear. We'll go down this way. Be wild. That should be far enough. I think my steering trim might be off a little bit. There, that's pin right there. Alright, make sure it's clear. Spin it around. Bring it back for a pass. Easy on the throttle. And I'm pinned. Yeah, she gets a move on. Alright, let's bring her in. The wind just continues to pick up. We're going to bring her in and see what we got. What do you guys put for the guesses down below? I mean, I bet you that was over 40. That looked pretty fast. It definitely got a move on. All right. Fortunately, the GPS is still on. And it is 40 something. That's not too bad. Let me try to get out of the wind. So 41.2 miles per hour with a 2-cell pack. 41.2, that's pretty quick. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and zero this out, throw the 4-cell pack in, and we're gonna go back out on the road and make some passes with the 4-cell pack. Go ahead, put your guesses down below. What do you think for the 4-cell? I mean, heck, that should be pushing 60 miles per hour, I would think. But I guess we'll see. All right, I got the 4-cell pack installed. I got the GPS zeroed out and mounted back up. Let me throw the body on, we'll go make some passes. All right, here we go for a pass. She's a little squirrely. That should be far enough. Spin around, make sure it's clear, and here she comes. Ooh. Well, we're right side up. That was probably 3/4 throttle. I'm struggling to get it all the way up to full throttle. Let's try it again. Yeah, she's going airborne when I get close to full throttle. Let me make sure the GPS is still on it. Okay, GPS is still on it. I think our best chance of getting a good top speed is coming from that direction because the wind is coming from this direction over here. All right, that should be far enough. Make sure it's clear, and here we go. And I'm pinned. All right, I'm confident we got a top speed there. She got very, very squirrely on the top end though. All right, we got a car coming from the other way. Let's go ahead, let's bring her in and see what we got. Yeah, just wants to do wheel stands. That looked pretty fast. What do you guys think? Yeah, even with this body, it still goes airborne. All right, moment of truth. Okay, not quite as fast as I thought it was gonna be. I thought we'd get a little bit faster than that. It could have potentially had a little bit more in it. I was just able to get up to full throttle at the very end of that very last pass. But we got up to 54.9 miles per hour. That's really not too bad with a 4-cell pack running the gearing I'm running. I think if I gear this thing up, it should be able to go quite a bit faster than 54.9. I mean, we're talking this thing should be able to surpass 60 miles per hour, no problem. Especially if I go back up to like an 18 tooth. If anything, if it's at a 13 now, I might gear it back up to like maybe a 15 or a 16 tooth. That might be a good gearing. And then we'll have to come back out and do another speed test with that gearing. But 54.9 and what was it, 41 something with the 3-cell. Not too shabby. So if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, hit that bell, and stay tuned for the next video with this machine. Next video, we're probably going to be bashing with this brand new system because I'm excited to test out with the new system. So thanks for watching. See you later.